Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to message someone on Discord without adding them. Private one-on-one conversations that you have with other users on Discord are called direct messages or DMs on Discord. This cannot be read by other users on your Discord server, and you can send them even if they are not on the same server as you are currently using. To DM someone on Discord without being friends, if they set message settings to friends only, go to the shared channel or group, click on the person's profile icon, type your message and press enter in the small text box. Then through the server invite, tap on the server, then contact the persons outside of Discord. Create a server invite link, and then send them the invite link via email, text, messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. Discord users predominantly make use of servers to communicate with one another when using it for gaming. However, if you want to start a conversation with someone who isn't a member of the same servers as you can send a direct message or DM to them. When you wish to hold a private conversation with someone, you can use DMs and group chats for friends. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.